So, ladies and gentlemen, again guys, welcome back to another quick update for the market, especially in NAS 100 and US 500. So, apparently in NAS 100, we have the current price of the market, which is 29,430.65 price market cap. So, the evaluation for this is that it is downtrend, which is from minus 0.05% up to plus 0.02%, which means that the Nasdaq is experiencing some slight bullish, and the current points right now of the pips of the market was 18.42. So right now the market is experiencing a bullish term, and for those who sell, it will be trigger your stop loss. So right now we are here to monitor the market right now. So that's your quick update right now. So if you are a nice trader, then I suggest to take a long position so that you are standby in the market and also follow the trend. But if you have a own strategy, then I appreciate that and analyze the market. So thank you guys.